Okay, gonna do a little tool review. Just got these, the Milwaukee, buy 2 batteries and get a free tool. I got the M18 um, Rover, dual power, triple panel floodlight. This guy, model number is 2368-20. Yeah, this one, 4,500 lumens, and these are the comparable ones. All lights on, outer lights just on is 3,000 lumens, and then middle light is 1,500, which is pretty good. I mean, just having one at 1,500. So let's take it out, take them all out, try it, and I'm gonna unbox it and I'll be back. Okay, so got it out of the box. I'm going to be putting this XC 8 amp hour battery in there. I figure why not put a bigger one on, and well, slides in pretty smooth. Okay, so let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, how do you come out there? So it is kind of, that's cool. Okay. Then you can, angle, 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 down, up. That is pretty sweet. But yeah, I mean, I guess now I'm not gonna blind everybody, including me, but here is all three on. Oh, different modes. That's cool. So, different brightnesses, which that makes sense. Coming off of what they said on the back. So all three, the lowest setting is 1,200, middle's 2,000, highest is 4,500, which they rate lowest setting 11 hours, and that's probably with one of these 8 amp hours. 6 hours for the medium and 3 hours for the high output. And then if you have just the sides, you have just the sides on, it's 800, 1,300, and 3, but 16 hours, 9, and 4 hours. And then if you have just the center on the low, 400, which was 30 hours, 18 hours for the 650, and 15 for 8 hours. But okay, yeah. So there's the modes. You go mode, changes it to which one you want. So, and then the light for brightness. Man, it doesn't look it on camera, but that is bright. So, I guess the real thing now is take it outside and give it a try. So, it's dark out right now, so this is the perfect time to test it. Okay, as you can see, definitely can't see hardly anything until you do that. Put it on the truck here. Oh, it's magnetized. Oh, it's got magnets. That's awesome. Magnets. So, shine it where it's not at my neighbor's. So, the mode on this. That is the center. So that's the lowest. High, or middle. Oh yeah, that is the high. Here is the two sides. And then all three. So it's not a, you know, quote unquote spotlight, but, you know, if you need light for your job site, which we do, because currently right now it's like 5:30. So yeah, to be able to keep on working. And yeah, that is, I like it. It's simple, you know, easy to use. And if you want to shoot everything that way, or, you know. Oh, what? So this also twists. So you can kind of maneuver it however you need it. So right now the middle is off. So if you're in a room or you've got it hanging from rafters or metal beams or anything, and then, or you need it on your truck and you don't want to have your truck running, then yeah. And you can see kind of what you're working on. But yeah. So I'm gonna take it back inside. So first impressions, yeah, I mean, I think it'll work good. It's heavy, you know, it's not lightweight, which is nice, but I mean, the battery also adds weight to it since it's a 8 amp hour in there, but even the tool alone, you know, it's got some weight to it. And, you know, these handles, they're nice, they're solid, you can carry, you know, and kind of pivot, you know, even if you wanted to set it a little weird or off balance or something. I mean, you can get it to kind of balance however you need it if you're in a tight spot or whatever. But that's the magnets on the bottom. And then you also have this rafter hook. And yeah, that's pretty sweet. And it's a part of the Home Depot deal. You know, you get buy the 2 batteries, get the tool free. I think I said that before, but yeah, if you can, if they're still available for the Black Friday sales, I'd recommend it. You know, if you need light, especially this time of year, and you're working outside or even in areas that don't have power yet or something. Yeah, I mean, you get batteries to be able to run it and the tool compared to, you could get a light tower, but that was 180 on sale just for the tower, where you got all this for 200. So yeah, but anyways, yeah, so if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.